Predator MX. And he's had this for a few years now and he's decked it up pretty good. How long have you had this, Jerry?
Well, about 5 years.
What do you think of it?
It's good.
Yeah, it's doing you good, is it?
Yeah, it's a little on the slower side, but I'm happy with it.
I see you've done a few mods and...
Yeah, we've got a fish finder on it, and this is an older MX, so it had no flush mount rod holder, so I put some on.
Where'd you do them?
In the back spots where the current MX model has them. I just bought a couple aftermarket and added them on.
Oh, right on. So you drilled there and put those in?
Yep. A few different ram attachments.
You got the milk crate?
A milk crate with a cutting board with a hinge on it, so at least we can try and keep some stuff kind of in.
The anchor trolley you've done?
Yeah.
That's the Scotty mount, is it?
Yeah, it's a Scotty transducer mount and a ram ball mount for the screen. And then there's a Scotty GoPro mount.
I've fished many a times with you, and this handles the water very well, and it paddles much quicker than you would think.
Yeah.
Good in the rivers as well, is it?
Excellent in the rivers. Off of lots of exposed rocks. You bounce off them and redirect you easily.
You made your own wheels there, did you?
Yeah,